How to save WhatsApp voice messages to gallery on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to save WhatsApp voice messages to gallery on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Navigate to three dots at top right corner of your screen. Select Settings option. Now scroll down, locate Storage and Device and select to open it. Scroll down and make sure that you locate Media Auto Download option. Here you will get three options. Select when using mobile data and make sure that you check mark audio as well and tap on OK. You need to do the same process for all the three options, and with that, whenever someone sends you voice messages, it will be automatically downloaded and saved to your gallery on Android. That's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.